Good afternoon. Standard 10th subject English. Last period we learn a poem. 2.1 You start dying slowly. We learned first extract of this poem last period. Today we learn a remaining poem on page number 42. At first, I read it, you listen carefully, you look into your book also. See, if you avoid to feel fashion and their turbulent emotion, those which make your eyes glisten and you heart beat fast, you start dying slowly. If you do not change your life, when you are not satisfied with your job or with your love, if we do not risk what is safe for the uncertain, if we do not go after a dream, if we do not allow yourself at least once in your lifetime to run away from sensible advice. So, Pablo Neruda. See, listen, I will tell you about this part of the poem. This is also true. This is also true. Or right. If we do not wear different colors or if we do not dare to speak to stranger. So next extract, next passage. The poet warns us that if we avoid strong feelings, passions, and unsteady emotions, and which brings a sparkle to our eyes. This is sparkle to our eyes, and so make our hearts beat fast. Make our hearts beat fast. Then also we start dying slowly. So the poet wants us that we don't avoid strong feeling, or if we avoid strong feelings, there is the effect on our life, and so in next part of the poem, according to the poet or the view of the poet, we start dying slowly. We start dying slowly. If we do not change our life, means we must change our life. When we are not satisfied with our job or love, at that time we must change our life. Means you do your best in your job, and so the poet advises us, we change our life, then we also start dying slowly. Then also we start dying slowly. If we do not change our life, if we do not change our life, we start dying slowly. Then, if we do not show the courage to risk something, save for something uncertain, and in this situation, if we show the courage to risk something safe, at that time we get it, and we if we do not show the courage to risk something safe for something uncertain. In next, if we do not go after a dream, if we do not go after a dream, means in you have, means each person have the dream in his life, and the poet asks us that or says that if we do not go after a dream, or if we do not allow ourselves to ignore a sensible advice, at last once in our lifetime, even then, at that time we start dying slowly. We start dying slowly. Means we go after a dream, try to complete the dream, and so we get so many things there. We complete our dream also there, and if we do not do that, we start dying slowly. In the last part of the poem, the poet says that. So this is the meaning of the poem, last part of the poem. You listen carefully. Now read again and again, and read again and again by Hartley. Now we stop